What's up, guys? Today is a very exciting day for Sam.
Potentially.
He might be taking a layoff to go home a little early, but then he's headed to Tulsa to take his weld test. So,
bruh.
super exciting. So this might be our last day with Sam. If not, we'll have this day documented anyway.
Yeah. Because reasons.
Have you decided if you're gonna surprise your family yet?
Definitely. Yeah, if he cuts me loose this evening, I'll pack up tonight and I'll drive all day tomorrow.
Surprise the wife and kids. So,
Yeah, don't tell nobody.
now this video probably won't go up for a couple weeks, so be good.
Yeah, at that point we'll have an update as to whether I make my test or not.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. To test them first, so.
Sam's been practicing.
Semi-truck stopped on the road.
Sam's been practicing dang near every day. If not every day, every early out. Every chance he gets.
It's been every day for the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, I felt like it had been, but they've been hitting it hard on the old welding, and that's what it takes.
I'm just a toe trying to make a hand.
Good day so far, huh? Kinda. We got hung up in the rain down there in that bell hole. Got our 3 passes in it. Weld was about a mile off the ground. So it rained for a little bit after we got done. They blasted that down there. That's what I was trying to film. Hopefully you guys could see some of that. But they blasted that creek. They're down there digging on it. Them other welders that come out with us today, they just started up on that weld down there. Finish it out. Got some more rain coming. Just another day, another weld, another right away.
Another day we should have been rained out.
Yeah. True story. Never can tell on these jobs, you know. Same story, different job. Every job I go on, it's when I first get there for the first couple of months, they rain out real easy. As the job steadily progresses, they get antsy and they want to work. No matter rain, sleet, or snow, tornado, it don't matter. They're fixing to work.
Yep.
That's where they're at on this job. I'm working all the time now, trying to get it done. So it's the name of the game. Hurry up and wait.
Yep. Now that light at the end of the tunnel starts getting brighter, and they all of a sudden they're more worried about getting welds done than they are mud and all that other.
Well, are you nervous, Sam?
For?
The test?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. That's natural. It's good. It's good to be nervous. A little bit, you know. It means you cared. I'm excited. I'm excited for you.
I lived my whole life. I say whole life. The last 30 years. And I don't think I've ever really felt a passion for much, you know.
Yeah.
And then I was over there the other day, wasn't under that shack when it was typhooning outside, practicing, just trying to get my hand into it, and I realized that I have a passion for it. what a feeling that was. Just
Yeah.
the realization, you know, that holy shit, this means something, you know.
Yeah. Yep. You could just tell that you really wanted it. Because you were, you know, you've been welding so much and you were welding even whenever the weather was like that, you know. I know what you mean, yeah. Alright, well, we didn't end up making that weld, thank goodness gracious.
I'm really disappointed.
Yeah, so upset about it. They didn't get all the digging done, so thanks to the rock, I guess, maybe, I don't know, whatever, didn't have to make that weld. So in case this is Sam's last day, appreciate all your help. We don't know yet. I don't know if it's his last day or not, but just in case, thanks, be careful.
Yeah.
Good luck on your test.
You too, man.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.